Picture this. You're not just buying another Las Vegas rental property. You're locking in a high-demand Southwest asset in one of the city's strongest long-term growth corridors. 9650 Volk Avenue sits in Mountain's Edge, one of the most consistently desirable master-planned communities in Las Vegas. And for an investor focused on stable rental income, tenant quality, and future appreciation, this property checks every major box. Here's why this opportunity stands out. First, location. We all know in real estate, location drives everything. Rent strength, vacancy rates, appreciation, and resale liquidity. Volk Avenue is positioned in the booming Southwest Valley, where demand continues to surge from relocating professionals, remote workers, and higher-income families moving from California, Washington, and other higher tax